So welcome back again everyone. In this video I'm going to continue my project, that is billing system. So in this video I'm going to explain all the classes whatever I have made in this project. So the second class con.java I have explained in my last video. If you haven't watched my last video, you can go and watch. The link is in the description. So in this video I'm going to show my rest of the classes. So in login.java, okay, so I made a login.java. That is the first activity which will run if I run this project. Okay, that is this activity, this window. Okay, so first of all, these are the files which I am importing because I am using the classes of these packages. Okay, so this is the login class which is extending the JFrame I'm using in this project. So it will extend the JFrame so that all the functions of JFrame I can use in this project, and it will implement the interface, that is action listener. So that action listener is used for if I'm clicking somewhere in this activity, so it will go to another it will redirect to another activities. Okay, so that's why. Okay, so it login invalid because I haven't write any credential, so that's why it is showing the login invalid. So that's why, because I'm clicking at somewhere, so the action listener will work like this. Okay, then I have made some variables. So this super keyword is used for the heading part, we can say. Okay, one second. Okay, so whenever I am running this in this project, so the first thing that is please log in. Okay, this is shown, which is why it is showing here, because of this super keyword. Okay, so whatever I will write in this parenthesis, it will show here. Okay, then L1 and L2 are the label 1 and label 2, which is this. Okay, and the TF1 is text field, this one, and the PF is password field. Okay, so this is password field. Then image icon, I have used this image, and three images are there. Okay, this is this image which will login image, and this is the cancel image, and this is the I have used this image to look this project cool. Okay, so image icon IC, this is a class, this is an object. So I am using this login.png, which is this from my system resource. So that's why I'm writing this line. Okay, so but the size of this image is very large, so I'm scaling this size. Okay, so that is 16 into 16. So it is for the scaling of this image. Then B1 is the button, and then I am adding this string and the image in this button. Okay, and same I am doing for this button as well, that is this and this code. Okay, then I am adding the action listener to the button 1 and button 2, that is this one and this one. Okay, so that it can do something else if I'm clicking on a particular button. Then this is the third image, which is this. So this is also I'm getting from my system resource, that is admin.jpg, which is in icons package. Here it is. Okay, here it is, admin.jpg. So now I'm scaling it as well, because it's a very large file, so I'm scaling it as 128 into 180. Okay, then I'm L3 is the L3 is what? L3 is the label. Okay, so I am using this label. Okay, that is ICC3. Okay, one second. And then I am using this set layout. So this is basically, we have multiple layout options. So I am using the border layout in this. Okay, so these are the P1, P2, P3, P4. I am using these variables and initializing it. Okay, so and then I'm adding all the things which I have declared it. Okay, whatever the things I have declared, I have to add in this frame. So firstly I am adding the L1, that is label 1, and then this text field. Then I'm adding the L2, that is password, password label, and then I'm adding this text. Okay, so this is very simple code. You can just go through it and you will get to know that how this line is working. And if you have any doubts, so you can just comment down and I will explain you that why, what is the meaning of this of the particular line. Okay, then the main thing is that thing, that is action performed, that what action should be performed if I'm clicking on this login button. So first of all, I have to make a object of this con class that is here. Okay, so I have made the an object that is of con class so that I can use my database. Okay, so there is a string a that is copying the data from this text field 1, and there's a string b that is copying the password from this. Okay, and whatever, then I'm making a string q that have a query, that is a SQL query, and select star from login where username is equal to a, that is string a, and password is string b. Okay, so it will then there is a class called result set, and result set is basically working as for any table. It will work from left to right, tuple to tuple, cell to cell. Okay, so in the first cell, in the first row, it will firstly check the, like, basically if, for example, in a matrix there is a first row, so it will check from left to right. It will check 0 0, then 0 1, then 0 2, and up to 0 n. So basically this is how it will work. So it will execute the query, that is q. Okay, and s is the, I have made this s in this con.java. Okay, and c1 is this, so it is calling this s from this con. Okay, then rs will be whenever it is next, so it will check that it is true or not. So basically we have two things in our SQL table, that is, if I'm writing this mono, so it will check the first cell, that is mono, it will check that it is correct, then it will go to next and it will check the password. If I'm writing the 1 2 3 for password, so it will check the check that it is correct. So whenever I'm clicking on this, so it will redirect to me the this to this window. Okay, so what if the details are correct, then it will open this project dot set visible. So set visible will be what it is doing. It will be visible, the project class will be visible, and this class login.java will be disabled. Okay, so the login.java is disabled and this will be visible. Okay, so that's why I'm giving the argument as true and false. And if the password and the user ID is incorrect, then it will show a message that is invalid login. Okay, and that's it, and that is in try. And if any exception will came, so it will catch here. Okay, so this is the main function where I have just called this login constructor. Okay, so this is the working of this login.java. I hope you are understanding. If you have any doubts, so you can ask me. Then if the details are correct, then it will redirect to the project.java. So now I'm explaining the project.java. So I hope that you know that this thing. Okay, I am not explaining it again. Then the same project extend JFrame. Then this is super is using because of this. Okay, then there's a size. This is the frame size, that is 1200 into 800. That is this. Okay, you can change, modify it. Okay, then second, we are using the wall.jpg. I am using this image wall.jpg, so this image will be there, that is coming from my system resource. And then I'm scaling this image at 1400 into 1000. Okay, then I am just adding it. Okay, adding L1. So now J menu bar, this is the menu bar in this. Okay, this is the menu bar. So I am making a object of this J menu bar class. Okay, that is dimension of 500 into 100. That is the height and width. This is the height. This is the height and this is the width. Okay, of menu bar. Then I am writing this new customer and this. So I am making a JMenu's class object, that is master, and master I have passing this string as new. So it will, the new will be shown here, and the variable is master. Okay, and the j item, so j item is the item in j menu. So new has three items: new customer, customer details, and deposit details, and the color is red. Okay, and the customer details is defined here. So customer details has what? Customer details has an icon, okay, name, and its a shortcut key. So there is a icon which I am using from this, and I'm scaling the icon because it's a large file, and then I'm adding. Okay, and the mnemonics, why this mnemonics are used, because it's D. So I'm using this D as my shortcut key, and you along with control, you have to press control plus D. So this is the line which is using for the use of shortcut key. Okay, so you can just see. So the same I am doing at here, meter details, and same I'm doing at deposit details, and then I am adding, because these buttons should be should done something if I'm clicking on it. Okay, should do something if I'm clicking on it. So that's why I am writing as this add action listener. Okay, then second column, so same as the first column. Then second column has a menu as a user, and then the three items in the j menu, that is pay bill, calculate bill, last bill, and color is red. Okay, and then the definition of this pay bill, calculate bill, and last bill. Okay, then this line is just for shortcut key, you can understand. Okay, and if you have any doubt, so you can ask me. Okay, I will explain you, don't worry about it. Okay, then the third column, and this all the same working. I'm writing the same part. You can just copy paste all the thing, but just you have to change the this thing. Okay, so I think this is all for this class. This is very easy class. Then I'm coming last, and then I'm adding this thing. Like I'm adding, first of all, I'm adding this master dot add m1. That is m1 is the variable of this, so that it is adding in a particular button. So it should not add in this, the thing which is in new button. It should be added in the new button only. It should not add in another button. Okay, so that's why it there should not any mistake at this point. So okay, so if you are doing any mistake at this point, so then your menu will be shuffled. Okay, then main thing is here, the logic part, that is action performed. So I'm copying the message from AE, that from get action command. Okay, so whatever I'm getting the message from get action command, so it will copy to a message. And if message equals to customer details, so I'm writing this if else if condition. So if it is customer details, so it will redirect to the customer details, and if it is new customer, so it will redirect to new customer, and same. Okay, so okay, or if it is a notepad, so it will run time the get run and then execute. It will execute your system software, that is notepad.exe, and it will execute your calculator, that is system software, that is calc.exe. Okay, and same as this for web browser. Okay, so I'm writing this path so that it can run. So it may be differ from PC to PC, but in my system there is a Chrome at this path, so that's why I'm writing this path. Okay, so an exit, for this exit there is a class system and system.exit. Whenever you write this system.exit and anywhere in the program, so it will not redirect to any other window. It will just come out from at any place. Okay, and your program will get exit and your program will stop. Okay, so and this is the main function where I have to, because the main function is the function which is actually called. Okay, and in whatever is written in this main function, that is that will be processed. So I think I have covered this project.java. So if you have any doubt still, so you can just comment it down and I can explain it. Okay, so this is all for this video. Now this video is the second part of this project billing system. I hope this video is helping you in understanding the Java programming or the Java concepts. The next video will be the final part of this billing system project, and I will upload the next video very soon. So stay connected, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Till then, thank you so much for watching my video.